The first example I will be demonstrating is number 72 from the 7.1 homework. The given equation is -4 times the inverse tangent of x equals pi. To start, you divide both sides by -4, which gives you the inverse tangent of x equals -pi/4. From there, you multiply both sides by tangent, which causes the inverse tangent to cancel out. You then have the tangent of -pi/4 equals x. -pi/4 is in the fourth quadrant, and you know that tangent is negative in that quadrant. Therefore, your answer will be -1 equals x. The next problem I'm going to be demonstrating is number 74 from the 7.1 homework. The given equation for this one is 5 times the inverse sine of x minus 2 pi equals 2 times the inverse sine of x minus 3 pi. To start, you're going to add 2 pi to both sides, which gives you 5 times the inverse sine of x equals 2 times the inverse sine of x minus pi. Next, you're going to subtract 2 times the inverse sine of x from both sides, giving you 3 times the inverse sine of x equals -pi. From there, you divide both sides by 3, so you get the inverse sine of x equals -pi/3. Then, by multiplying both sides by sine, you end up with the sine of -pi/3 equals x. -pi/3 is in the fourth quadrant, so you know that your answer is going to be negative. Therefore, your answer is going to be the -√3/2.